Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to delete an application from TELEFUNKEN J501 TV. So first of all, we cannot physically install or uninstall any of these applications, but basically to delete any of them, no matter whether they are on your apps menu or on the home screen, you have to simply highlight the application you want to delete, then press the down arrow key and select delete, and this will unpin the application from your home screen. But you will be able to reinstall it by going to the apps menu, add more, and finding it right here. Or on the market sometimes. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.